Hi guys, it's me again, Miss Pope, here to talk to you guys about what the expectation is for a Socratic seminar in AP Literature. So, game plan. Be at school, it's a lot easier just to show up on the discussion days. We work in small groups, there's nothing scary about that. When you come to class, you will need to have 5 questions typed in MLA format. So these 5 questions, 2 come from your literary criticism, that should also be annotated, and 3 come from the novel. All right, so your questions, quality matters. Your questions should be anchored in the text. So use specific text evidence or page numbers so that when you guys are discussing, you can open up your books, look specifically at these passages or these quotes, and close read them together if you need to find the answer. Okay. These are also helpful in your lit crit. You're probably going to have to give your classmates a synopsis of what your criticism was about. So if you need to put a couple of bullet points or sentences there to set up a discussion based on your literary criticism, make sure you include that as well. Okay, speaking, this should not be scary. You guys talk in my class all of the time. You're expected to speak 5 times. You are keeping up with this on your own in addition to the group leader that I will pick. So these should be quality contributions. None of that nonsense, I agree, or that's a great point. Okay, you guys are so much smarter, and I'm not really concerned with this being what you do. But let the record show, if you do not have quality contributions and you do not contribute in the discussion, a 70 is all you're going to get at best. Okay, here's the good stuff. If you're absent for a Socratic seminar, you have the option to FaceTime in a class if you are going to be able to, right? So let's say you can't, you're quarantined, something's happened, and you can't be in class that day, but you are free that period. FaceTime in, okay? Submit your stuff on Google Classroom, take your notes, follow along. You're good to go, and we will accept that, okay? However, if your absence is unexcused, only excuses are school functions, college visits, extreme circumstances, then the highest grade you can get is a 70, all right? A replacement assignment should be turned in no later than 1 day after Socratic seminar. So if you know you're going to miss it, this is due by the next day. If you know you're going to be out, the expectation is the replacement assignment is emailed by class time. Otherwise, it will be marked as late. So that's if you know ahead of time, right? If you know you're going to go on a college trip, a field trip, get it in, okay? Lastly, the replacement assignment. You must answer each of your discussion questions. See, wouldn't it be so much easier just to come to class and do that? You have to provide adequate analysis and text evidence for these. Each answer to each question should be 200, 250 words in length. And of course, it should always be MLA formatted, including proper in-text citations. And that's the deal.